Digital transformation. It's on the lips of every CTO, cloud architect, and technology consultant. Digital transformation. It brings to mind images of data flowing seamlessly between and amongst our various systems. Digital transformation. It's just over the horizon, and all we have to do is keep buying things from the company we've always bought from. Or maybe a transformation calls for change. Maybe a digital transformation requires us first to look at our goals, not at available technology SKUs from our current providers, and then find solutions that will transform how we achieve those goals. For businesses, these goals and the accompanying digital transformation should drive faster times to market and times to revenue. Faster times to market rely on greater business insights. Does your data give you the insights your organization needs? Oftentimes, the speed of insights relies on the location of your data. Where is your data? And where is it being processed? A true digital transformation requires rethinking not only the tools needed for analyzing your data, but also data placement. By combining these ideas with application transformation and/or modernization, AI and machine learning can access your data to produce the business insights you require. The key obstacles: data-intensive applications and data silos. A modern CI/CD application development method requires the seamless migration of data between environments for economic scalability, not silos. Whether from a laptop to a test environment, a physical machine to a VM in the cloud, or from a staging environment to a production environment. But containers can solve more problems than just app modernization, and sometimes that requires more than one container platform. Just as ORock Technology set out in 2014 to prove that not all clouds are created equal, ORock developed 3 different container solutions, because we know that not all problems can be solved with a single container solution. ORock offers OpenShift Container Platform, which is designed to modernize your CI/CD efforts. ORock also offers Emerald Container Platform, which is specifically designed for your big data and analytics work. Then there is the ORock Kubernetes service, which is coming soon. With traditional application development in a virtualized architecture, applications and their runtime environments were packaged with an OS and infrastructure, networking protocols, security policies, etc. When that application needed to be moved to another environment for debugging, staging, production, small changes to the OS or infrastructure could cause issues that would result in further debugging before development could continue. Moreover, while an application might be only tens of megabytes, the accompanying OS and infrastructure could be many gigabytes. This created a resource-intensive architecture, increasing costs. Multiply that resource load if a company is developing multiple applications, and you can see why the traditional model was economically unscalable. The user had to manage everything down to the OS and infrastructure. Server costs increase as more applications were developed. Applications developed in one OS and infrastructure couldn't be moved to new environments easily. Because of that, additional debugging was necessary. If applications were developed across multiple operating systems, developers had to be versed in all of those OSs. Or additional developers would need to be hired for OS-specific expertise. Again, not scalable. Microservices, which are shared in a container architecture, could not be shared in a traditional app development architecture. ORock Secure Containers as a Service, built on OpenShift and Emerald, helps customers avoid these issues. Not only are the OS kernel and infrastructure shared across application containers, but ORock manages these layers as well as the container platform itself. This alleviates customers' resource load so that they can focus on app development. As part of the management of the infrastructure, OS, and container platform, ORock includes these services. Pre-sales: ORock helps customers determine if the container solution is the correct fit for them. As the sales cycle progresses, ORock resources will engage in more detailed architecture sessions to determine the appropriate platform needs for each customer. Onboarding includes the installation, deployment, hardening, and operationalization of the OpenShift platform for each customer. ORock Technologies has delivered multiple container solutions to help you address your CI/CD efforts, big data and analytics, AI and ML, and other big challenges coming to you and to others in the industry. Again, ORock Technologies, here to simplify your cloud experience.